Okay, so as you can see, the air quality here is pretty abysmal today, and I thought I would give you guys a run through of how I use my air quality monitoring resources on my phone. So on the top left here, the big one, you'll see a widget from IQAir, and it's also called AirVisual. And here's our air and our forecast. I can go through like this, Sunday, Monday, whatever. And here are other things in our area. Now if I go back here, this next one on the top right, the little red one that says 167, that one is from, it says air quality, but it's from AQICN, which I think stands for air quality in China, but it's worldwide. And you can see here also a readout. And if I swipe left, I get this map, which isn't loading particularly well right now, but you can see I'm in Taiwan. You can make out the shape of the island and get the idea. For some reason, it's not loading the actual topography right now. The AirVisual one also has a similar feature. I also have, excuse me, linked here, AirVisual Global Map. This is a really cool resource. Check this out. It's real-time interactive. Now all of these resources are based off of air quality monitoring stations, and I would assume in the case of this probably also satellites, though I'm not sure about that. But it's just great. You can see, okay, right now there's a battle between winds, clean winds coming in and off the ocean, and dirty winds coming out of China. Thank you very much, China. And we seem to be sitting right at the front line, which is why you're getting this red where I'm at and yellow just over in the mountains. And I've also got, if you look in the middle, there's that green icon, looks like some stylized mountains, green and blue. On the right side, that's just a link to our local EPA. So wherever you are, I would just say pop a link to that down on there too. Now, if I swipe over, this is something I like to do. I've laid out the areas immediately surrounding me so I can get a quick look at a glance without having to go into anything. So I've got 167 there where I'm at, and just the surrounding cities laid out geographically according to where they would actually lie on a map. So I don't even have to go to all that trouble. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Have a good one.